I'm thankful for the extensive art curriculum and the amazing classes that the teachers have led.
Thank you for putting up with our mess.
And thank you for the friends that make us laugh.
I'm thankful for HSArts because I can see my friends and study better here.
I'm thankful for the amazing kitchen staff who makes great food every day.
And I'm thankful for all the teachers who teach us every day. Yeah. Oh wait, I'm so sorry.
I am thankful for having friends and teachers here to help me with my learning journey.
I'm thankful for the teachers in San Francisco High School of the Arts. I'm also thankful for everything they do to us, and we have learned a lot of stuff.
I am grateful for all the good food.
I'm thankful for teachers for teaching us.
I am thankful for having an art teacher because art is always so fun when we do art, especially when we paint, because I'm good at painting.
Sorry. It's okay. Okay, I'm ready. I'm thankful for my new friends.
And I'm thankful for my new teachers.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Matthew, back at it again with yet another vlog. And today, I'm just giving thanks to all the teachers at school. You know, it's an honor to be a part of the High School of the Arts community. And I just want to give a thanks to my family, my friends, everyone who helped me get to this point, to where I am today. And I'm excited to announce that I have applied to colleges, and I will later keep you guys updated.
Continue.
Yeah, we'll cut that part out, but yeah, just thanks to everybody who helped me get to this point, especially Mr. Brian. You know, you've played an integral part in my life as far as influencing me to pursue my passions and goals as an academic, intellectual person. Thank you very much. See you guys in the next one.